Hello and good day, and welcome in today's video. In it, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. Before we get into that, I'd like to quickly mention our sponsors for today's video, ANY. If you want to quickly trade and easily unwind, just go down to the description and follow the link. Also, FTMO. If you want to trade with other people's money and you want to keep up to 90% of the profits for yourselves, go over to FTMO, prove to them that you have trading knowledge and skill, and they will give you up to 200k of other people's money to trade with. Okay, so buying Bitcoin on Binance. Currently, there are three ways to go about this. First, the classic ways. You can go over to the top left side and click convert or classic trading, and you can directly click on the new front page button, buy now. So you can buy Bitcoin with a lot of different currencies which have different ratios. The difference is that you can't buy on the front page buy now with crypto, only with fiat currencies. So as you can see, USD, rupee, Japanese yen, shillings, etc. But no crypto here. You can sell them from here as well, as you can see, but I'll be demonstrating the other two methods that are more pronounced. So the first one is conversion. So let's say you want to buy, well, you can buy as much BTC as you want, to be honest, up to 50 apparently, but you can buy very minimum amounts as well. So let's say I want to buy 10 USDT worth of BTC. No, it doesn't even display it. Let's say 50. Okay, now it worked for some reason. It didn't give an error that there is a minimum, and you all you have to do, because conversion works on real lifetime prices, it just takes the last registered price and gives it here. So basically, when you click confirm, you'll be getting the latest price at that time and period. So that's why make sure to, if you check the price momentarily and click convert here if you're satisfied with it. Let's see if it will give you 15. Yep, and just click convert, and bam, we've successfully converted 15 USDT in 0.003.35444 BTC. Okay, so let's say you want to buy through another method. You can buy through here as well, through the classic trade. Let's type in BTC, find USDT, or to be easier to type USDT and find BTC with it. There it is. Oh, I was on it. Yeah, sorry guys, 2 in the morning. So let's say I want to spend 10 USDT. Click buy BTC. And I don't know even if it's registered. Let's check. It's going. Nope, it didn't register. Okay, let's try again. Oh, type in 15. There. Okay. So let's see. Order history. Buy. There it is, what we bought. You can check it out in trade history as well. And you can check your funds here as well. So let's let's remove. As you can see, these are the two types of methods you can buy BTC with. Now, when you go back to your wallet and refresh, we will have $30 worth of BTC. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Remember, this isn't any financial advice, and see you next time.